Hello, my name is Hugo Ramos. I'm here today with Ricardo Serpa, HR Adventure Tours Director, to talk about making your motorcycle dreams come true. Hi, Ricardo.
Hello, Hugo. How are you?
I'm good. We're going to talk about a lot of things about touring, and motorcycle adventures. The purpose of the Hertz Ride podcast is to give you all the information about motorcycle touring. If you're thinking about traveling on a motorcycle, if you're planning it, if you're only dreaming about it, you get all the purpose and important information for your next adventure. Should you do it alone? Should you use a professional provider like HR Adventure Tours? It will be up to you, but you can decide having all the information with you for your mesmerizing experience of traveling on a motorcycle. That said, I'm gonna start this conversation with Ricardo. And of course, the first question should be, what is HR Adventure Tours?
Thank you, Hugo. Well, HR Adventure Tours is a company created by Hertz Ride about 3 years ago, which is fully licensed as a travel agency based in Lisbon, Portugal. And we are dedicated to organize and prepare all aspects of motorcycle tour. So we create different itineraries, we create fantastic experiences, and I will tell you, Hugo, a little bit about how we did it in the past 3 years.
Okay, so you create everything from scratch. It's all up to you to take care of the whole process of organizing a tour.
Well, Hugo, HR Adventure Tours was created back in 2020, basically to be the full travel agency for Hertz Ride. So it's our job here to prepare and organize all the motorcycle tours, and we try to do it as best as we can, making it a fantastic experience based on what we believe a motorcycle touring experience should be. So, if you allow me,
Sure,
I will tell you a little bit of what we did in the past 3 years, in these past 3 years, and what lays ahead for the future.
Absolutely, it looks awesome. I'm looking forward to so you can tell us all about it, where you guys are, what you guys do. Let us know, please.
Well, back in early 2020, I started to design different itineraries. So the idea was to have some tours in the US and some tours in Europe, as well as Morocco.
That's also because the countries where Hertz Ride is located right now is actually the U.S. and also 6 countries in Europe. So you're getting tours on the same places that the motorcycles are to be rented, right?
That's how we decided to begin. So Hertz Ride today has locations in Portugal, in Spain, in Italy, France. We have 2 franchises in Austria and Slovenia. And in late 2019, we opened our first 2 locations in the US, Las Vegas and Riverside. Now we are up to 5 locations with the opening of Miami soon. We have New Jersey and Los Angeles,
Yes.
in addition to these 2. So the concept was using these locations from Hertz Ride to establish our starting points for the tours. We started in March of 2020, and pretty soon everything changed in the world. So instead of creating all the tours during 2020, it took us a little bit longer so we could create all these experiences. But the important thing is how we do it. The basic concept was pretty simple. To design different routes and then scout them all, every mile, every kilometer. So we would know where we are going to ride, where are the riders that...
Nothing is left unknown.
Nothing is left unknown except for the adventure part.
Of course.
Remember, it's a motorcycle tour.
riding a motorcycle can always be
It has to be always an adventure. So
Sure.
we don't have. We know we will have to improvise on a motorcycle tour, but the basic concept is this: you don't improvise on the improvisation. You plan, and then you have plan B and plan C for things that can go wrong, like a road that is closed,
Yes.
inclement weather, a hotel who decided to close its doors right in the middle of the tour. The important thing is we know where we are going. So it's a peace of mind for the riders to know that everything is scouted. So talking a little bit about the history, what we did was create the first US tours and then the European tours and then Morocco. Yes. These past 3 years, with all the travel difficulties that we have had, I'm happy to say we were able to do it.
Yes, you were traveling in a time that most people were basically home.
Yes, I have some very interesting memories from these trips.
I believe so.
Lonely job.
Ricardo, how many tours you were able to put together on this time?
Well, during these past 2.5 years, we were able to create 21 different itineraries.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was a pretty good job, if I may say so. I'm a little bit biased, but we are able to create all these fantastic itineraries. And now they are on the website, on our website. And
that's where people can actually look where the whole catalog of tours is available, right?
Yes. We have all the information for each tour. The route that we are doing, a description, a day-by-day description of every segment of the trip, what is included, the dates. It's really, really informative. But people who want to go to the website to look at it, they will get this first batch of information. They can decide which tours they are interested in doing, and then they contact us, email or telephone, so they can have more information. We always have doubts.